This maintenance video is for valve disc, balance diaphragm assembly and regulator orifice for low type pressure CSB700. Before you start, make sure you have all the correct tools: 50mm socket, adjustable wrench, torque wrench, screwdriver, split key and Allen wrench. The Fisher CSB700 only need a few common tools to perform maintenance items. Remove the 4 cap screws and separate the lower spring casing from the body. Remove the body O-ring, inspect the body O-ring for wear and replace it if necessary in applying lubricant. Remove the balance port assembly from the body and replace it with the new balance port included in the repair kit. With your fingernail, examine the sitting edge of the orifice for nicks or cuts. If it is damaged, replace the orifice and the O-ring. Reassemble the regulator, refer to instruction manual for appropriate torque values.